Hello, June. It's Grandma, and I wanted to say hello again. I was looking around at my different books and little objects that I use for storytelling, and I found a little bird, a sweet little bird, and this little bird can go hop, hop, hop. This little bird can go hop, hop, hop. Hello, June. Hello, sweet June. Now, this little bird made me think of a song, a little song story that I know. And I was wondering if I could sing it for you. And maybe you could play with the song when you're with Mama and Dada. Thank you, little bird. Little kiss. Little kiss. Thank you, little bird. Little kiss. And a kiss for June. Mwah. Blow a kiss to June. Blow a kiss to June. Oh, yes, you like that. Yes, you do. So here is the little song for you. Once I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I said, little bird, won't you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say how do you do when she shook her little tail and away she flew. The end. That can also be a rhyme that you say, and it can be like this. Maybe you can do the actions with me. Let's try that. I saw a little bird come hop, hop, hop. So I said, little bird, won't you stop, stop, stop? I was going to the window to say, how do you do? When she shook her little tail and away she flew. The end. I love you very much, and I think about you every day. I'll blow a kiss just to June. And my little bird wants to come back and to say, oh, bye-bye, little June. Bye-bye, little June. This is a little bluebird. And we have bluebirds in our backyard, so I love this little bird. Bye-bye.